Hello! Here is how you can clear your cart using T-Shop. So you visit the global online store of your choice and then you proceed to select an item that you like to purchase, after which you add it to bag and then you proceed to checkout. Now, after checking out, there's some information that will be required of you, like your contact details and your shipping address. So for your shipping address, you open the Terminal Africa app on your phone, you open T-Shop, and you generate an address that is of the same country as the store that you're shopping from. You copy the address given to you on T-Shop and then you paste it on the shopping website. You copy the phone number and you do the same thing. Now, an address line 2 is required of you by Terminal Africa. So if the shopping website doesn't have an address line 2, you can just put it beside your surname. And then you proceed to make payment. After you have made payment, take a screenshot of your order details because you'll be needing it. Now you go back to the Terminal Africa app, you create a new shipment with the generated address, you put the name of the online store that you shopped from, the item description. After the item description has been put, you're going to have to put the item value, that is the amount that you paid for the item, but in Naira. So here we're saying our item cost 100,000 naira. The next step will be to upload a proof of purchase, so just something that says you purchased the item. And then you proceed to enter the order tracking number given to you by the brand that you shopped from. When that is done, the next step will be to enter your Nigerian delivery details, that is the place that you want your item to be shipped to or delivered to in Nigeria. Then you click on submit and your shipment has been created. Now, the final step will be for you to make payments when your shipment has been picked up and is on its way to you. After making payment, you're good to go.